welcome to visit GAGACOCC DIY headphone upgrade cable studio. Now we show you how to DIY an 8-coil flat braid silver plated cable. For example, if you want to do a 1.2 meter cable, firstly you should prepare 8 pieces silver plated coil in the middle position. Look, in the middle position. Each one half with the fixing setting. The next step is braiding. Look, firstly, one coil is up, one coil the second down, third up, fourth down. Yeah, look in this way, and this cable in this place. Yeah, now and then one coil is up, one is down, one is up, one is down. This is the return. The regular is one coil put up, one is put down, up and down. Repeat in this way. And let me show you. Then the finished coil is like this. Looks like this. After all is finished, till the end, then you can solder the right connectors. Okay.
镜头对着左边线的这里啊，你。
Okay, just look it carefully. My work is braiding the cable. Have you got it? Okay. Look. 可以了。 Let me show you. There are some finished coils. Look. There are some finished DIY cable samples. Down there look very beautiful. Don't you like them? So contact us and take one you like away. And you will absolutely enjoy more wonderful music. To see more great products, welcome to visit our eBay store, Jiangzhang 1212 GIANGCHAM 2012. Thanks for your watching. Look.